Welcome back to my channel. It's Chidinma Favor. We are going to learn how to make this pencil skirt. Yes, let's go. All right, I already drafted a pattern for a basic pencil skirt. I have a pattern on how to draft a basic pencil skirt up on my channel. Go and watch that out. Okay, here I'm just checking. I added 2 inches for zipping allowance and 2 inches for side seam, and I added few inches for the hemming. All right, we already know how to sew a pencil skirt, so I didn't find it necessary to do that video again because I have it up on my channel. Okay, so that is what I did. Just go ahead and draw your basic pencil skirt on your pattern paper. All right, let's work for the front to get this particular design we're looking out for. Yeah, a client gave that to me and asked me to recreate this for her. So my nipple to nipple measurement is 5. That's what I'm working with, so I'm marking it out. That is just exactly what I'm marking out. 5 inches, which is her nipple to nipple measurement. Then I will go ahead and use a ruler to connect all of the nipple to nipple measurement line from the waist down to the hem. Like I said, I have a detailed tutorial on how to sew and line a pencil skirt. It's up on my channel. You're free to go and check that out. Okay, so after marking it down the way you're seeing, okay, the next thing is from this nipple to nipple measurement, I'm going to step out by 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch is perfect. You can use 3, but 2.5 inch for me, I would say just use that. Is perfect. Okay, it came out really nice. All right, so just go ahead and mark that out. Okay, after marking it out, use your ruler and connect that to 2.5 inch from your waist all the way to the hem. You can see the one we recreated here up there. You can build your own as much as you want. Please don't mind my voice. So this is the side seam, this is the middle, probably the way you understand, and this is the center front. Okay, center back, center front. Yeah, I'm correct. Sorry, center front. Okay, see, this is the one we recreated up on the channel, so you can go ahead and build your own as much as you want. She said, "Ma, don't build it too much so it won't be heavy," so we had to make something light. Okay, here I'm slitting that my nipple to nipple measurement. I'm slitting it, and the 2.5 inch you stepped out with, I'm also slitting it. I will get rid of the front dart. Okay, we're not going to sew the dart. All right, here I've cut the material. Remember, the center front should be on fold. Add half an inch seam allowance all the way. All right, and for the side seam, add 2 inches. All right, if you don't add 2 inches, or if you don't add allowance, you might end up not being able to wear it. So for that part, add your normal sewing allowance, and for the other part, you add just half an inch. Half an inch is okay. Perfect. So this is how we're going to sew it now. Remember, the aim of this video is to show us how to cut this front design and how to sew it. That's it. Basic pencil skirt is already up on my channel. This is the back part of the cloth. All right, and this is the red we want to use to combine it. As she said, "Ma, I already bought red, is what I want." So I obey my clients. Unless it's not going to be nice, I'll tell you, no, 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 you're spoiling my work. But if it's good, we use it. Okay, here you see the way I placed it. Go ahead and place it this way. Place the other one also. You can mark the back and the front so that you will know the back and the front, but this is a doll face material, so you can easily define it. Then I'll go ahead and sew and turn and top stitched. Yes, I top stitched just to get the cloth in place. All right, go ahead and iron at this point if you want to. So this is the hip side. All right, you can notice it is the hip side, so it should be facing the other path after you are done sewing it. Okay, so you go ahead and place it this way so that after sewing your hip can't, go to the side. All right, just look at it very well before you place. If you make any mistake, correct yourself before you go and sew it. Like I said, I top stitched. You can see I run a top stitched on this. All right, just to keep it in place. Like I said, at this point you can also go ahead and iron if you want to. All right, go ahead and place them and sew. All right, but first look at it very well before you sew to be sure that you get it very well. You can see the hip side the way it is. Go ahead and press. You can see the hip side are matching themselves. Okay, that's just the reason for this video on how to create this design at your front waistline. Thank you. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if it's in any way helpful to you, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much.